Disclaimer: this podcast is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting or changing any treatment or supplement. Today we're diving into IGF1-LR3, also known as insulin-like growth factor 1 long arginine 3. This peptide is a synthetic analog of the naturally occurring IGF-1, which is closely related to insulin in structure and function. By modifying the original molecule, scientists extended its half-life and made it more potent in stimulating growth and repair. IGF-1-LR3 works by binding to IGF receptors in the body, triggering cell growth, repair, and regeneration. It also helps increase protein synthesis and nutrient uptake in muscle tissue, which is why it has become popular in the areas of performance, recovery, and body composition. Unlike natural IGF-1, which has a short half-life of about 10 to 20 minutes, IGF-1-LR3 can remain active in the body for up to 20 to 30 hours. One of the main reported benefits of IGF-1-LR3 is enhanced muscle growth. It encourages both hyperplasia, which is the creation of new muscle cells, and hypertrophy, which is the enlargement of existing muscle fibers. This dual effect sets it apart from many other growth-oriented compounds. In addition to muscle growth, users often notice improved fat metabolism, faster recovery from training, and potential support for injury healing due to its role in tissue repair. Beyond muscle and fitness, IGF-1 plays a significant role in brain health, nerve regeneration, and even anti-aging research. Some studies suggest that IGF signaling may help preserve cognitive function and support overall vitality. However, much of this research is still in early stages and human clinical evidence remains limited. When it comes to dosing, IGF-1-LR3 is often measured in micrograms and administered through subcutaneous or intramuscular injections. Typical protocols are highly variable and should only be considered under professional guidance. Because of its potency and potential risks, including hypoglycemia, abnormal cell growth, or interference with natural hormone balance, medical oversight is critical. It's also worth noting that IGF-1-LR3 is not approved for medical use in most countries. Much of its availability comes through research chemical suppliers, which means purity, legality, and safety can vary greatly. This makes caution, responsibility, and medical consultation even more important before considering its use. Disclaimer: the information shared here is not medical advice and is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed healthcare provider before making any decisions about peptides or supplements. Thanks for listening, keep learning, and stay curious.